You can send your love to your favorite marine biologist with this. What's happening? Panda Nation, Peter Von Panda here. Another greeting card look. Just a quick hit. I want to show this to you because we have dolphins on the front here. Some might say they're porpoises. And I would not be able to tell you the difference between the two, but this is actually cut in there, so we have this metallic look here, but then these are all cut out. We can see the blue dolphins behind there. Now, I have a friend who loves the dolphins. They don't actually love dolphins. They actually hate dolphins, which is why I'm sending this. Who hates dolphins? They're like dogs of the sea. Anyway, so if we open this up, boom, we get dolphins. There be dolphins aboard. Right there. Again, I think those are bottlenose dolphins. Mostly identified by their long, slender beak. Jumping out of the waves, we've got waves down there. Man, that's pretty cool. If you have a dolphin lover among you, then I think you should pick this up because it's just really cool. It always surprises people. You give them a greeting card with animals jumping out at them, and everyone's like, woo, that was fun. So, pretty awesome. You can write your little greeting in there. Lots of empty space right there, and it comes with an envelope. Yeah, take a look at those bad boys. Looks like they're jumping right out of the sea. It's cool. Look at that. So friendly. Hey, if you want to pick up this card, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever faced.